Circulation here, projected rainfall, and its strength, 155 mile per hour sustained winds, category 4, just skirting the north shore of Cuba. There's Havana, making that turn to the left. Look how narrow the cone of uncertainty has become. Not that wide path. And look where Miami and Fort Lauderdale are. Category 5, moving up only 5 miles per hour, so don't get hung up on the numbers. It's still a very dangerous hurricane as it moves that center of the cone of uncertainty, not necessarily the exact path, but over the Everglades, up toward Marco Island, into Naples, Fort Myers. Look at the storm surge. Last night we were concentrated mainly on the east side of Florida, Homestead in here where there's a lower lying area, 10-foot storm surge still predicted from the National Hurricane Center, and down into the Keys. Look at that. You can see a storm surge that's in that greenish color there. So we're somewhere in between blue and the yellow, so 5 to 6 to 7 foot storm surge. You get back up in the Everglades though, 15, maybe greater, up to 15 to 20 foot storm surge there. On up through Marco Island and Naples, you see still the potential for a 10 to 15 foot storm surge. Moving even farther north, perhaps a 6 foot surge when you get into Tampa Bay and up to the north. So a lot of water wrapping around this thing. That's the bottom line. And the winds, the other part of the story. Not only the storm surge, but look at the circulation here. These are some of the observed values, and then we go to the model information as we push on to Sunday, and you can see some of these wind speeds, gust speeds approaching 100 miles per hour, not just on the east side of the system as it pinwheels counterclockwise, but a northerly wind. Some of those wind gusts could hit close to 70, 75 miles per hour, even up into the Tampa Bay area. And let's look at the progression of the center of that cone of uncertainty. Tampa, Sarasota, the center of that track, keeping it to the west, and then all the way up to the northern part of Florida into Georgia before it becomes just a tropical storm. Our weather, a lot more tranquil. 64.